brother?
Well, I'm from Brazil.
You are from Brazil.
Yes,
What's your native language, Ruben?
it's Portuguese. Brazilian
Portuguese.
Portuguese. Yes, can you hear me
I
properly?
can hear you. No, I can hear you properly.
Okay. So my native
So,
language is Portuguese, Brazilian Portuguese.
Brazilian Portuguese. So you people are connected to the Goa. You know Goa,
Oh,
Goa
yeah,
in India.
yeah, I think it's a place in India that has been colonized by Portugal,
Uh,
right?
Portuguese. Yes. Still, lots of people. If they got some like Portuguese passport instantly. Still now it's happening out there in Goa.
Very good. Is it far from your place?
Yeah, it's very far, like a 5 or 600 kilometer far from my place.
Oh, India is like a very big country, right?
Yeah, India is a huge country.
Very good. Brazil also is a huge country. We have great distances between our cities and states.
Yes, 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 brother.
Very good. So I want to congratulate you for your English. I know you are trying your best every day, and I've been watching your videos. Very good. You are doing such a good job.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, I'm gonna ask you one thing, Ruben. Are you enjoying my videos?
Yes, they are very, very good. And you have, I see, I read the comments,
Yes,
and I
yes.
see that you are helping a lot of people from India and from other countries.
I'm enjoying while talking. I'm really enjoying.
Very good. And how do you manage? I know you work as a driver,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
And how did you think about creating a channel on YouTube to learn and to teach? Because you also teach a lot of people.
No, well, the sense of teaching. Well, I don't think so myself as I'm a teacher or I'm a tutor. I'm just helping out the people. I told them people that I'm not gonna correct you, but you can practice with me.
Okay,
A
thank you.
small, yeah, a small things can I correct, but huge things. Well, I am a still learner. I'm learning myself, and creating a channel, or during a lockdown, it's something happened with me that I see one of the English channel called Learn English. So I put one of my video and it's got viral. So finally I'm here with you people.
Very good. But you also are helping many other people that are watching your videos.
Yeah, I connected with them directly. I posted my number, so anybody wants to practice English with me, they can practice.
Yeah, that's the way I reached you. Very good.
Yeah.
You also
Thank you.
talk to native English speakers.
Yeah, yeah.
You are very brave, you know. Many people, a lot of people, they don't have this braveness they are learning English, but they are afraid to be talking to a native speaker. So you are very brave.
Yeah. But
And
yeah, for me, but I don't fear. Come on, let's do it.
you
Nobody
are
gonna
ready.
kill me. Yeah, they're not gonna kill me. Oh, come on, who's nobody gonna kill me? So come on, let's do it.
Yeah, you have nothing to lose. On the contrary, you have
Yeah,
to
I don't
learn.
have anything. Yeah, yeah. And apart from this, Ruben, I'm enjoying learning languages. I don't say I'm not learning a particular language. I speak lots of languages. So it's a cup of
I've
tea for
also
me.
learned that you can speak English. What is your native language?
My native language is Gujarati.
Gujarati. Is it?
Yeah, yeah,
But do you also speak Arabic?
yeah. I do speak Arabic.
Polyglot.
Yeah, polyglot.
Very good. Congratulations.
Yeah, it's
Good
a
to learn new languages, you know.
yes, yes,
You
yes,
have
yes,
like a
brother.
lot of brain activity that helps you on that
It
process.
Yeah, they keep me proactive all the time.
Very good. And what do you want to learn English? What is your purpose, or
No,
what
I
are your goals?
no 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 brother, nothing. I'm just enjoying. It's like
Yeah,
it's a part of my job to learning English. It's just I just fond of
like a
things.
challenge.
Yeah, it's
Um,
like a challenge.
Nice. There are
Yeah,
people.
like it's like a challenge that I can speak better than a native speaker. I heard a challenge. Like I'm gonna confuse you. I'm gonna confuse a native speaker. That's my challenge.
Oh, wow. Where is this
Yeah.
guy from?
Sorry.
Oh,
Yeah,
they're saying,
yeah.
where is this guy from? Because he can
Ye-
speak like perfectly English.
Yes, yes. What do you do, brother?
Well, now I'm just at home for the quarantine. Here in
Yes.
Brazil, the situation, the coronavirus situation, uh, it's getting worse at time after time. But
Hmm.
when I was working, I worked as a teacher.
As a teacher, you are a teacher.
Yeah, I used to be, but now I'm not
Yeah,
anymore.
you used to be. Yeah, you used to be as a English teacher.
Yes, and also for informatics.
Yeah, yeah. So nowadays you're providing online classes or not? Nothing.
I'm thinking about it, but I'm
Hmm.
not doing any specific job now. I'm just at home
Hmm.
trying to study to improve, trying to learn other languages also,
Yeah, yeah.
and taking the best of my free time, spare time that we have a lot now.
Yeah, that's great, brother. That's great, brother. I'm gonna tell you one thing that you're learning a new things, learning a new language. It's keep you proactive all the time.
As in keep our mind busy so
Yeah,
we don't
yeah.
think a
Keep
lot.
your mind busy all the time. It's like a mind exercise. Your head or mind exercise. Your brain exercise. Learning
Yeah,
new thing is your brain exercise.
yeah, that keeps us active.
Yeah, it keeps you all the time active, brother.
Very
So tell
good.
me,
So
which language are you learning? Tell me.
uh, I'm trying. I was learning Spanish.
Yeah, you're learning
That is
Spanish.
like a close to Portuguese, to my native language, but
Mhm.
have some difficulties. And I'm also
Yeah,
trying to learn French, which is
yeah.
very different from Portuguese. So that's my current challenge now, learning French.
So since how long you have been you learning this French and French?
I think about like 4 months, 5 months, when the quarantine
For
started.
4 months.
So I decided to use my spare time to learn a new language to improve my English also because I'm still studying English as well.
Mhm. So did you practice with someone related to this language?
Well, I have a friend. He's from Sri
Yeah,
Lanka, and now he lives in the United
yeah,
States. He's
yeah.
studying and working over there. So he helps me a lot. We always chat through WhatsApp, and sometimes we make some video calls when because he's working
Mhm.
at his place now, and he helps me a lot, and I also help him, and we both are learning together.
Yeah,
I think your cuisine, the food in Sri Lanka looks like or a little bit like Indian food, right? Yesterday he was drinking chai, it's tea, right?
yeah, yeah.
And and very good. And what about your Cambly sessions, your Cambly studies?
Well, the Cambly session I'm talking about, I'm gonna tell you one thing that I didn't get the subscription from Cambly, brother. The Cambly app I share with I share Cambly app too with my friend and family. Whenever they subscribe, I got some minutes. With these things, I'm
Oh,
using Cambly.
very good. So you are trying to You use the 3 minutes that people
Yeah,
access. Very good.
yeah,
Oh,
that's
so
right.
you should share your link on the description of your video. That would
Yeah, I
help you
shared.
to get more
Yeah,
information.
I shared already. I shared already. I already shared my video. I got some time, 3 minutes.